The perfect accompaniment to go with your wine in the evening are these baked olives in olive oil. This is a fantastic aperitif, especially when you've got some friends coming over. Now, olives are nice as is, but when they're served warm in a bath of extra virgin olive oil, well, they are completely transformed. So what I need to do is place these olives. I've got a mixture today of green olives, Kalamata olives, and we'll pop them into a baking tray. Then I'll add some garlic, just half a bulb that I'll cut in half, along with 1 strip of lemon zest and half a long red chilli, some bay leaves, just 2 bay leaves, and then some rosemary. And now for the olive oil, I'm using a Premier olive oil, which is a really good quality Australian extra virgin olive oil. The olives that make this olive oil are picked at their premium ripeness and then cold pressed within hours. So we get the beautiful characteristics of the olive oil. This particular olive oil has notes of walnut, freshly cut grass, and has a rich, robust flavour, which is perfect to go with these olives. Now that I've filled up the olive oil bath, we're just going to give them a quick mix and have a look at that golden colour. Once we've tucked in all of those flavours, this goes in the oven for about 10 minutes, 180 degrees. Essentially, we just want those beautiful flavours to come out and infuse the olive oil and the olives. Once that's done, please serve them warm. They just taste so much better.